How to use Google Drive for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Google Drive as a beginner. Now, Google Drive seems like a really simple tool where you can just upload whatever you want, but it is so much more. Although it is a cloud storage platform provided by Google, it can be so much more because of its amazing organizational tools available, which can help you in storing any type of file, whether it's a video, image, or document. And Google provides you with 15 gigabytes of free storage on your Google account. So let's get started with Google Drive. To get started, simply click on your top right where you have your Google Apps. Once you do that, you're going to click on Drive. Once you click on Drive, you're going to see all of the files in your suggested and suggested files on your home tab. Then on the left, you will have a section called My Drive. Then you have a section called Computers. Computers is a section which allows you to sync your computer files. To do this, you're going to have to install Google Drive, and we're going to be showing this later on. Then you have a Shared With Me tab, as well as a Recents and Starred tab. You also have a Spam, Trash, and Storage tab. The Storage tab allows you to manage your space, so you're able to see what is occupying how much space in your drive. You can click on Clean Up Space to clean up space, and you can even click on Get More Storage to purchase more. Now let's go into our basic home drive. On the top right, you have different views, so you can go with this simple view or a list view. And then from the top left, you can filter out the type of content you're looking for. So whether it was uploaded by you, whether it was modified, or what type of document it is. Now within Google Drive, you can click on New on the top left and then click on Upload File to upload your own file. You can click on Folder Upload to upload a complete folder. So I'm just going to select this and we're going to go ahead and upload a folder like so. And all of the images within this are going to be uploaded. Whether it's images or documents, anything can be uploaded onto Google Drive. Now, you can also upload individual files by clicking on File Upload and selecting the image you want to upload. You will see on your bottom right you have a countdown of how long it's going to take to upload your selected items. Now our folder has been uploaded. Now, although the folder looks fine in my device, I don't like how it looks over here because I want to segregate the images that are WebP and JPEG. So to do this, all I have to do is click on New and then build a new folder. I will name this folder JPEG and then click on Create. Now I have created a folder within a folder, and from here I can proceed with selecting the images that are JPEG, like so. Whenever you select any document on Google Drive, on the top you have different tools, including tools which can help you in sharing it. So you can click on Share and directly share the file via email address, or you can also click on the General Access and click on Anyone with Link. You can choose if the people that are joining your document via the link can only be added as viewers, commenters, or editors. Once you've chosen, you can click on Copy Link, and once you click on Copy Link, you can share this with anyone. Now, I am just going to take this and select two of the JPEG images together, and then I can drag and drop them onto the folder. And just like that, we have a simple drag and drop cloud storage tool. And when you're using cloud storage, you don't have to worry about losing any of your data. You can access it on your phone, on your iOS device, or on your desktop, PC, tablet, from anywhere, as long as you have a stable internet connection. Now I'm going to drag and drop the final image, which is this one, into the JPEG folder. Then I'm going to select these items by doing a left click. And once I do that, I'm going to do a right click like so. And then I can click on Organize and I can click on Move and move them all together into a new folder. So once I click on Move, you can see the different locations. Currently it's in Makeup. And from there, I can click on New Folder on the bottom left. And these are going to be my WebP images. I'm going to click on Create and then click on Move. And all of the files have now been moved under WebP. Now for further visual categorization, you can alter the colors of these folders. To do this, you can do a right click and you're going to go into organize. Once you go into organize, you can change the color to the color that you want. So I'm just going to add 2 colors like so. Now, once you have created your color categorization system, you can easily segregate different types of information you're storing in your drive. Personally, I like to segregate them like this, where I have my work files in one and my personal documents in one. Now, not only that, but because Google Drive is an integrated tool, you can access your calendar, your Google Keep, and your to-do list from the right side as well. Now, let's move forward and actually take a look at some of the other capabilities of Google Drive. Now, with Google Drive, your sharing is very exclusive, where you can share with people with different permissions as well as different options for editing and viewership. Now let's install Google Drive so we can actually proceed with our sync. To do this, we're going to go into Google Drive and you're just going to search for Google Drive application on Google. And this is going to be the first search result that pops up. Once your first search result pops up, you're going to click on download for Mac or download for Windows, depending on your device. And from the top right, a Google Drive.dmg will be downloaded. Once that has been downloaded, you're going to open it up and set it up. So if I open up my install Google Drive, this is what the installation looks like. You're going to click on Google Drive.package. Then you're going to complete your installation and then you can click on close. Once we do that, we're going to click on our bottom right to open up the drive. And this is what the drive interface looks like as a application downloaded into your PC. I'm going to click on sign in and I'm going to choose the account I want to open up in that particular application. Once I've done that, I can go back into my drive, and once I go into the drive section here, it is going to allow us or enable us to start syncing. You can sync with Google Drive and you can sync different folders. You can also back up photos in your PCs with Google. You can also proceed with seeing drive files in your folder. Now, once completed, I can just click on open files and I can proceed with setting up everything and syncing up my files. So just like that, we can get started with Google Drive. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.